So let's get started with this video. In this, we are going to explore EC2 Hibernate option. So first we are going to create our EC2 instance. So I'm selecting the Amazon Linux 2, and then I'm selecting the M for large. So let me select the instance type. Okay, yeah, let's select this. So we have 16 GB of RAM. Now I'm going to select a few other details, PPC, subnet, and one of the important thing, right? Like we need to check this box which enable this feature of Hibernate, and yeah, move next. Another key thing, right? Like one of the prerequisite for this feature is that your EBS volume has to be encrypted. So let's select the default AWS EBS encryption, and we need to make sure the EBS size, volume size is greater than our memory, right? So 16 GB RAM we have allocated, so our EBS volume has to be greater than that. So I'm just allocating 30 GB here, and move next. I'm going to add few tags. So this is my organization account. So we have this validation check, right? So we need to put certain tag. If you are trying at your dummy account, you don't have to put all this. I hope that should do the things. So I'm just selecting my default security group, which I generally use for my all the EC2 instance. Okay. Here we go. So we can see 4 CPU, 16 GB of RAM, then EBS volume that is encrypted. We have selected security group. And the rest of it, let's launch it. I'm going to select my keypad. There we go. And yep, so our instance is ready. It's in pending state. It will take a couple of minutes. Let's see. Okay, now it's in running state. Let's try to connect via terminal. So first let's check the IP address. So EC2 user. Okay, now we are connected. Let's check the uptime. Okay, 1 minute, right? Now we are going to hibernate our EC2 instance. So okay, so maybe it will take As you can see, the status is still in initializing, so we'll wait for a few minutes and then retry the Hibernate. Okay, now it's finally done. Let's check the status again. It's in a stopping stage. So basically what happened while we click on the Hibernate, right? It's basically saving the state of the RAM and then copy that to our EBS volume. So once and after that only the shutdown happen. So the next time when we are going to start this instance, it's just going to retrieve that RAM file, right, which is available in the EBS volume. It just put back in the RAM and then resume from that. So okay. Now if I try to connect to this, okay, so this session has become still, right, as you can see. If I try to connect, it won't be connecting because my instance is shut down at the moment. So let's go back to our this one. It will take a few minutes, it seems. Let's see if I can start the session again. Okay, I think we need to wait for a few more. So as you know, we have hibernated the instance. Now let's go ahead and start the instance again. So what we will do to verify that hibernation has worked properly, we just do SSH and then see the uptime and make sure that the instance was keep running. So let's go ahead and SSH show instance. Okay, as you can see, it's up for 7 minutes. So even though we have stopped it just after 2 or 3 minutes, it's still the operating system was running. That was never stopped. So that's all for this demo.